How to transfer money from my account to Cash App. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to transfer money from your bank account to Cash App. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Cash App application on your device and make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Now, tap on your profile icon on the top right of your screen, and further, under the Accounts and Settings tab, you will see the Linked Banks option. Tap on that and further, tap on the Link Bank option you see there, and then tap on the Continue button. You will further see various institutions. Tap on the search bar there and search for your bank. Now, tap on that and further enter your login credentials to complete the adding process. Once added, go back to Cash App homepage and further enter the money you want to transfer and then tap on the Add button. You will be asked to enter your PIN, so go ahead and enter your PIN, and with this, the transfer will be successful. So this is how you can transfer money from your bank account to Cash App. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.